September 2025, English Village, and I am near old railway station building. Trains once stopped here, carrying people to big cities and small villages, with hopes and dreams, with suitcases and letters. Kobe Station opened in 1867 and was part of the Great Trunk Line that connected the city of Peterborough with the port Winston. Today, trains no longer stop here, and the tracks have disparated like paths overgrown with the grass of time. But the building remains like silent witness to past journeys. It reminds us that even the moment stops, the spirit of the road does not disparate anywhere.